What is a session in an Irish pub? Have you ever wandered into an Irish pub and heard the joyful sounds of fiddles, tin whistles, and laughter filling the air? You might be experiencing what is known as a session. So, what exactly is a session in an Irish pub? Let's break it down. A session, or session, is a lively gathering where musicians come together to play traditional Irish music. This is not just any performance. It's a casual, communal event that invites both locals and visitors to enjoy the music. Instruments like fiddles, accordions, and borons create a vibrant atmosphere that is deeply rooted in Irish culture. Historically, sessions were not always part of pub life. Before the 1940s, Irish music was primarily played in homes or at dances. The modern session began to take shape after World War II, especially among Irish emigrants in London. They started playing in pubs, which led to the spread of this tradition back to Ireland. Pubs became essential hubs for informal musical gatherings. For travelers, attending a session is often a highlight of their visit to Ireland. These events usually happen on specific nights, with musicians gathering around a corner table. Listeners can enjoy the music while sipping on a pint of stout or ale. Participation can vary. Some sessions welcome newcomers to join in, while others may be more reserved. It is important to respect the atmosphere, avoid talking over the music, and always ask before recording or taking photos. Sessions feature a mix of tunes like jigs, reels, and hornpipes, often passed down through generations. While some pubs may host structured performances, true sessions are typically improvised. Musicians take turns leading tunes, and if the mood strikes, dancing may break out, especially during lively sets. From a traveler's viewpoint, sessions provide an authentic slice of Irish culture. They offer a chance to connect with local traditions, meet friendly faces, and enjoy the spontaneous energy of live music. To find sessions, ask the pub staff or check community boards in towns known for music, like Doolin or Galway. If you plan to attend a session, here are some practical tips. Arrive early to secure a good seat, as these gatherings can attract crowds. If you play an instrument, bring it along but wait for an invitation to join in. Most importantly, relax and let the rhythm of the music guide your evening. Whether you are a musician or a listener, a session is all about sharing joy in the heart of Irish music.